Imagine this. The open highway stretches endlessly before you. The sun is rising over the horizon, casting golden light across rolling hills. You're not rushing anywhere, no traffic, no crowded hotels, no packing and unpacking every day. Just freedom. Just you, your family, and the road. This is the lifestyle the Jayco Greyhawk Class C promises. A motorhome that isn't just a vehicle. It's a home, a hotel, a playground, and your adventure companion all in one. Today, we're going to explore the exterior, the specs, and the luxury details that make the Greyhawk a standout in the world of Class C motorhomes. By the end, you'll see why this vehicle is more than just a machine. It's a lifestyle statement, and why so many families, couples, and adventurers are choosing it for their travels. Starting with the exterior, the first thing you notice about the Greyhawk is its commanding presence. The front cap and aerodynamic design are not just for looks. They reduce wind resistance, improve handling, and give you a sleek, modern silhouette. Compared to traditional Class C models, which often feel boxy and outdated, the Greyhawk manages to combine size, style, and function beautifully. Take a step back, and you'll notice the full body paint options, which aren't just about color. They're durable and scratch-resistant, designed to maintain that showroom shine for years. If you've ever worried about road wear, minor scrapes at campsites, or tree branches brushing past, this is one feature that makes life on the road far less stressful. The slide-out sections are another highlight that truly sets the Greyhawk apart. These expand the living space seamlessly, giving you more interior room without compromising the exterior proportions. Whether it's a family of 4, 2 couples traveling together, or a group of friends on a road trip, these extensions turn a standard Class C into a surprisingly spacious retreat. The awning system is also worth mentioning. Automatic, sturdy, and easy to operate. Picture this: a calm morning, coffee in hand, the awning extending automatically to create shade as birds chirp around your campsite. Evenings become magical, whether it's a casual dinner outside or a small gathering with friends. Storage is never an afterthought with the Greyhawk. Jayco has designed multiple exterior compartments, including a pass-through storage area perfect for chairs, outdoor gear, and even larger items like bikes or portable grills. Utility panels, propane access, and leveling jacks are thoughtfully tucked away, keeping the motorhome's lines clean while making maintenance hassle-free. Specs are impressive as well. Depending on a model, the Greyhawk ranges from 25 to 32 feet in length, with a gross vehicle weight rating of approximately 14,500 pounds. It comes with a Ford the 510 gas engine, offering smooth, reliable power and a 55-gallon fuel tank, which means fewer stops and longer stretches of uninterrupted travel. Exterior lighting is all LED, energy efficient, and long-lasting, providing both style and safety when setting up at dusk or nighttime campsites. These numbers aren't just specs. They translate directly into freedom on the road, the ability to explore more, and confidence knowing the motorhome can handle long trips fully loaded. While we're focusing on the exterior today, it's impossible not to notice how it hints at the interior luxury. From the aerodynamic front cap to the high-quality paint finish, every exterior detail signals comfort, elegance, and thoughtful design inside. But before we step inside, let's dive deeper into the luxury touches that make this Class C motorhome a lifestyle choice rather than just a vehicle. From every angle, the Greyhawk exudes premium craftsmanship. Look closer, and small but meaningful details emerge. The integrated roof ladder and solar prep are perfect for travelers who love off-grid adventures. It's functional, easy to use, and maintains the sleek look of the vehicle. Solar prep ensures your trips can be more self-sufficient and eco-friendly, allowing you to power small devices, lights, and appliances without needing to hook up to electricity at every stop. Many layouts also include exterior entertainment options, such as built-in speakers and TV hookups. Imagine a sunset movie with friends or a quiet morning of music while sipping coffee. It transforms your campsite into a small outdoor living room. Certain Greyhawk models even feature a mini outdoor kitchen with a small grill, sink, and prep area. This is a game changer for anyone who enjoys cooking outdoors, turning any picnic or campsite into a culinary experience without leaving the comfort of your motorhome. Subtle exterior LED accent lighting adds a touch of sophistication while also serving a practical purpose, providing safety and visibility during nighttime setups. Durability is baked into the design, with premium sealants, heavy-duty tires, and reinforced storage compartments, ensuring your investment stands up to years of travel. Even the small touches like secure latches and propane covers make life on the road simpler and more enjoyable. Now, let's step inside because no motorhome story is complete without a look at what awaits within. The Greyhawk's interior is a blend of luxury and functionality. From the moment you step in, you notice high-quality flooring that's both visually appealing and easy to clean. Spacious slide-outs expand the living room and kitchen areas, creating an open, welcoming atmosphere. LED interior lighting bathes the space in a warm glow, making evenings cozy and comfortable. Seating is abundant and designed for comfort, with swivel-captain chairs and recliners that allow you to relax or socialize with ease. The kitchen is compact but highly functional, featuring a stove, microwave, sink, and ample cabinet space. Families or couples can prepare meals without feeling cramped, even on longer trips. Bedrooms and sleeping areas are thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and privacy. Murphy beds or bunk options offer flexibility depending on your travel group, while bathrooms are well appointed with modern fixtures, plenty of storage, and efficient layouts, making them feel more like a small hotel bath rather than a cramped RV bathroom. Every corner of the interior is designed for ease, comfort, and practicality, complementing the stylish exterior you just explored. Now imagine a weekend trip along the Pacific Coast Highway. You wake up to the sound of waves, coffee in hand, with the Greyhawk awning extended over your outdoor dining area. The kids are playing nearby, and your furry companion lounges in a shaded spot just outside the vehicle. Or picture a long cross-country adventure, mountain passes, desert stretches, and open plains. With the Ford the 510 engine, handling inclines and towing a small trailer is effortless. Every stop feels comfortable, and every night you park somewhere incredible, knowing your home on wheels has everything you need. It's not just about the road. It's about the lifestyle, spontaneous trips, family bonding, and the freedom to explore hidden gems off the beaten path. The Greyhawk doesn't just get you from A to B, it enhances the journey itself. Its exterior design, thoughtful layout, and features are all aimed at giving you a stress-free, memorable, and luxurious road trip experience. How does the Greyhawk stack up against other Class C motorhomes? First, its design is sleeker and more aerodynamic than many competitors, improving handling and fuel efficiency. Luxury features, from exterior LED lighting to optional outdoor kitchens, make life on the road enjoyable and comfortable. Durability is a major factor. High-quality materials and thoughtful engineering mean fewer repairs, more reliability, and peace of mind during long trips. Finally, value is another standout feature. The Greyhawk balances quality, comfort, and affordability, offering premium touches without an exorbitant price tag. Many other Class C motorhomes force you to choose between style and functionality, but Jayco manages to combine both, making the Greyhawk a true standout. I'd love to hear from you. If you could take the Greyhawk on any adventure in the world, where would it be? The mountains, the desert, or a scenic coastal road trip? Drop your dream destination in the comments below. And if you're considering upgrading to a Class C motorhome, which features matter most to you? Outdoor entertainment, slide-outs, or storage capacity? Let me know, because I read every comment, and your insights could help others in the community as well. To wrap it up, the Jayco Greyhawk Class C isn't just a motorhome. It's a gateway to freedom, a vehicle that allows you to explore the world without sacrificing comfort, style, or convenience. Its exterior design signals elegance, the specs promise confidence on the road, and the luxury touches transform every stop into a memorable experience. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or long-term cross-country adventures, the Greyhawk empowers you to live a lifestyle full of adventure, spontaneity, and connection with family, friends, and nature. If you enjoyed this detailed tour of the Jayco Greyhawk Class C, hit like, subscribe for more motorhome and automotive reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Share your thoughts. In the comments, I read every single one, and tell me which Greyhawk feature excites you the most. Your road trip dreams are waiting, and the Jayco Greyhawk Class C is ready to take you there in style. See you on the next review.